How to use MetaMask tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to get started with MetaMask. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head on over to metamask.io to get started. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I already have a Binance account. I have my Binance wallet. Why would I need another crypto wallet? So a lot of people do think that when they are looking to build their MetaMask account or build another crypto wallet. The reason for that is because people think that having one account is going to suffice, but your account on Binance or your wallet on Binance or your crypto trading platform is going to be a account that basically serves as a withholding account. So that account is going to be under the ownership, or it's going to be liable by Binance. It's not your actual account. It's not something like a bank account. It's quite different. It is withheld by the exchange. Your exchange is just holding the money temporarily for you. To actually store your own crypto, you will need your own cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask. So that is why you need to create your MetaMask account. So to get started, you're going to just go on ahead and search for metamask.io. Now, MetaMask also has a phone application for both your Android or iOS devices. So whatever device you have, you can go on ahead and download it on your mobile device. But if you want to download it on your PC, they also have a Chrome extension. Now, moving on ahead, you're just going to go in and click on download on the top right over here. Then they're going to ask you to select the kind of device you have. So we're going to click on install MetaMask Chrome. This will open up a new extend new tab, which is going to be from the Chrome Web Store, and you're just going to download Chrome, click on add extension, and add the Chrome web extension of MetaMask onto your Chrome browser. We're just going to pin our extension over here. We're going to wait for it to download, and it's just going to take a couple of seconds. So going on ahead, now you can see our extension has been added over here, and I'm just going to pin, and then we're going to click on get started. Now, there are two options. If you previously have created a MetaMask wallet, you can click on no, I already have a secret recovery phrase, and you can import your wallet. But if you are just getting started for the first time, you can click on create a wallet over here, and then go on ahead and click on I agree. Enter a password for your MetaMask wallet. Then you're just going to click on I have read and agree to the terms of use. Click on create over here. And once you have clicked on create, you're going to click on next. Now, before you do that, you need to understand what a secret recovery phrase is. That is going to be your master key to your wallet and to your funds. So what I would recommend is you can write this down on a piece of paper, or you can go on ahead and copy and paste it somewhere. So you're going to click on next over here. And then make sure you go on ahead and view your secret recovery phrase. This is just a sample account, so I'm just going to copy this over here, and I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. So it's going to be a totally random secret recovery phrase. It is recommended to memorize this phrase and write it down somewhere to make sure that your account is safe and secure. Once you have done that, you're going to click on next over here, and you need to make sure that you have read or downloaded or saved this somewhere. So you are going to confirm your secret recovery phrase. So we're just going to do that. And then you're just going to click on confirm, and just like that, your recovery phrase will be saved, and you're going to click on all done. And now you can see our account has been created. So now, once your account has been created, you can choose the network that you want to work on. So you can click on add network and add another network name. Directly, you would be connected to Ethereum. You can also go on to these other networks available as well. Then you also have your account address. So this is the address of your account if you're looking to transfer your funds from your Binance account into your MetaMask account. You're going to be using this address. Then you also have buying, sending, and swapping options on your MetaMask account, and you can monitor all of your activity from here as well. And then you can just open this up in your Chrome extension, and this will be presented to you so easily. So now what we're going to do is, let's say I'm going to just close this over here. And now you can see what you're going to do is you can actually link your MetaMask account onto your Binance account to go on ahead and transfer your funds. So you can go on ahead and make sure to connect this to your account over here. So you can go on ahead and go to your crypto wallet on Binance, and you can also use your MetaMask account as a funding account for NFTs or any other platform. So basically, your MetaMask account can be used on all of the platforms that you might be needing crypto on. So for example, if you want to go on ahead on OpenSea and you want to purchase an NFT or sell an NFT, mint NFTs, whatever gas fees you need to pay on any of your blockchain transactions, on your DeFi transactions, you can use your MetaMask account to pay all these fees. And you can also directly buy crypto. So you can just click on buy and continue on to the Coinbase, Wire, directly deposit ETH. So you can click on view account, and then you can just scan this code to deposit Ethereum directly from another account. You can use Wire, you can buy with MoonPay, you can do it with Transact or Coinbase. So these are the applications supported, and then you can also send your funds to another account. So you can scan, and you can also use public addresses like the one I showed you, and you can also swap your tokens. So whatever token that you might have can be swapped into another token. So you can select any other token such as USDT, BUSD, WBTC, USDT, so any other token of your choice. Now, you can manually add a token by adding the address that you want it from. So you can go on ahead into etherscan.io and take a look at all of the tokens that are available over here. Enter the token name from token code from there, and then copy it on over here to swap it for that specific token. So this will enable you to get any token of your choice into your MetaMask account. Now you can see over here, this is one account over here. You can also click on create account and add multiple accounts. You can import your previous accounts, and you can also click on your settings and manage your overall connectivity, as well as connect a hardware wallet. So a lot of people like to use hardware wallets where they are able to have a added layer of security onto their crypto account. So you can select whatever hardware wallet you want, and you can connect that to your MetaMask account to have a added layer of security for your crypto holdings. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.